are going to define use of preposition. There are trees and monkey and also grass. Behind, up, over, between, down, far, under, in, near, in front of. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Suhana Kumari from class 5 and I'm here to show my science project, and my science project name is Save Earth. To save Earth we should use dustbin, save water, save nature, use EV, grow trees, don't use atomic bomb, save animals, stop pollution. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Priya Kumari from class 4A. This is my science project. My science project name is food chain. It starts with grass and it eats with fungi decomposer.